Hubiquitous is an EU-Africa project aimed at creating a sustainable and impactful startup and innovation ecosystem of technology hubs in Africa, focusing on IoT and related technologies. The project sought to enhance the technology level and capacity building of local digital innovation hubs or tech hubs across African countries. Hubiquitous achieves this through 4 types of programs: the Tech Hub Catalyst Program, Talent Program, Accelerator Program, and Community Program.
Highlights of the bootcamp would be more on the practical aspect, where we were programming the board with different sensors, setting up the gateway, then seeing the communication. So also on the cloud, you get to see the data you are pushing to the cloud. So that's one of the highlights. And also working in groups, so like more or less like team bonding and all that.
We are proud participants in the Tech Catalyst program, which has enhanced our hub with cutting-edge IoT technologies from Waziup.
Funding is quite a problem in trying to organize events and trying to purchase equipment and hardware. So the funding we got from Hubiquitous was really good, a good support. And the second one I mentioned is the network. You can be doing things in your own, in your own private space, but until you get a network or go out, you won't know what other people are doing, and you won't learn, what other people have, the challenges people have had to go through and then solve. We met a couple of hubs that were going through some challenges that we have already done, we had already gone through, so we shared with them. And on the other hand, they also shared some findings that, helped us in streamlining and improving our products.
This program has been transformative for us. It's allowed us to develop and launch IoT consultant services, strengthening our capabilities to design and implement solutions tailored to Egypt's unique challenges.
We're being in our own space, just doing things ourselves. People really didn't know that we existed, but through the Tech Hub Acceleration Program, people know about us. It's also opened us up to get people to come and have acceleration programs. So we've been very picky in bringing in people to build their solutions, but through the education, the training, and the resources from the program, we've now expanded the hub to be able to take people or ideas from different stages and make a product out of it.
Also, we are super excited to share that we have discussed implementing our MVP in the Egyptian market. Our journey is just beginning. We are eager to see the transformative impact our initiatives will have on the community and beyond.
I'm an entrepreneur also, in my very early stages incubating. It is my goal to build a startup and consequently raise it into a viable or thriving company. And so this bootcamp is going to help me in that direction, or in that future endeavor of entrepreneurship, where I want to build technological innovations and solutions.
So when we started the call for application for the IoT certification program, we had a little over 150 people dispersed across the different regions of Ghana, and obviously that made it difficult for them to come in person to have the experience. We just finished the first cohort. We've trained about 25 people who have successfully graduated. We have planned the second and third cohort for people in the Ashanti region and in the central region. So it's our way of no one is left out. And then we are currently also researching and looking into ways that we can take the training to them virtually, so that even though they are not available in Accra, they will still be able to participate.
Over the years, Hubiquitous has achieved remarkable milestones. We've reached numerous countries, supported countless beneficiaries, and distributed hundreds of IoT kits. Our supported hub network continues to grow, creating a thriving ecosystem of startups and innovators in Africa.